In the last video, I showed you how to start on your design system over here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install plugins and what plugins even are. So plugins are pretty much mini softwares, mini apps within Figma itself. And you can get to it just by coming here and right-clicking and going on plugins. And notice it says here, manage plugins. We haven't installed any plugins, so let me just quickly show you how to do that. So I'm coming here to the top left side. I'm clicking the hamburger icon and I'm hitting back to files. And you can see here our first file has been updated based on all the work we've done. And over here, you see this word plugins. So I'm clicking on that link, plugins. And there's different plugins you can choose, and I'm going to specifically show you one. And by hitting his browse all plugins, it takes you to the section where all the plugins exist, and there's a search here on the top right, and you can kind of type in whatever you're looking for. So I'm specifically looking for one that I want to show you called Unsplash, the image that we used earlier with the profile in a few videos ago. I want to show you how we can get to that directly from the app. So I'm going to click this plugin. And there's a little install call to action button that I could click on. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to install the plugin. Now that we have the plugin installed, I'm going to go back to our file by going here to first project. And I'm going to click on our file and go back in it. I'm going to zoom inside of it. And here I can right click how we did earlier and go to plugins, and notice now we have Unsplash. So I'm clicking on the Unsplash selection, and now we're getting the Unsplash selection here right within Figma. And remember earlier when I went into the browser a few videos back and I typed in person, I could come here and type in person again, and I'm getting images right within Figma itself. Notice here, based on the keyword that we put in, we're getting different people. So I can put in, let's say, house, and now we're getting houses, or anything else that you come up with. So I'm going to go back and type in person again, and I can just click on the picture that I selected and it just imports it right into Figma, and I can do all my adjustments the same way as if I would have just gone to a web browser to get that picture. And then to close the plugin, I just can hit the little X and it closes it out. Plugins are really cool and powerful, and I suggest checking different ones, and you can really improve your workflow by using them.